Okay, so good evening. Together we will follow up the markets. Let's see and explore the algorithmic levels together. And we can now see there is some, let's say, bearish movements over here from the $4,000. And we have some opportunities now to at least understand whether the market will continue to the downside or we can have another bullish orders so we can target another new levels. So guys, before we start, I am inviting you absolutely to subscribe to my channel, and if you can support me, of course, by hitting like button and also share the videos on Twitter. Let's share the knowledge. We do this videos free of charge, and you can have the opportunity to understand the market conditions and the algorithmic levels manually and so simply and easily. Okay, so thank you for your support, and I wish you guys understand and be aware of what we are saying each and every day. So let's go back to the last video we uploaded yesterday, 26th of September. Okay, we talked about the Yfii Finance 2, or the Yfii, maybe some people call Yfii Finance double I. It doesn't matter. So let's see what we have said. Another top above it. Okay, so a top now, a top later. It's above. They are waiting above it. So let's wait what the market, how the market will behave at this price here, and we can see later if there is any opportunities to take. Also, I am not trading the Yfii Finance 2. I can buy it, no problem, but at least I can wait for the candle to close. So you can see there is some conclusions behind what we have said yesterday, and this is what happens. Okay, we actually smashed the $4,000, and then another dump actually appeared. So that's mean that algorithmic levels are correct, and this is how you make money, and this is how you should trade. So the big question that many people now are asking, okay, we are successfully or we can successfully explore and extract these algorithmic levels, but how can we deal with them? And this is the big question, guys. And it's very simple. Okay, as long as you can explore the algorithmic levels and you can have the ability to know whether the markets can go up or go down, now you are actually in the right path. You're on the right path if you can explore and extract where, when and where, of course, the market can go down. So this is the big question. This is the $1 million question. Now, guys, what's the next, okay, movements we can have, or what the next step? So, guys, you can see the market now stops at the, let's say, 3,300. Okay, let's be more serious. Okay, I will do just a horizontal line like that. Okay, and we can keep watching what the market now is going to do, because you can see that the market actually stops here, and we can have another significant points to target another levels. So now, if we want to buy, there is an opportunity we can take. This is the first probability to take from this level here all the way to the 3,700, also the $4,000. Starting from here, we should manage our risk management. Okay, it's very simple. Now, if we break below this level here, okay, you should go short, can trade the Yfii Finance at the futures. Binance, it's available, and you can make a lot of money by shorting this kind of tokens, because the creators itself wants to dump. Okay, they are here. They created this token for the dump, and you guys want to pump, because unfortunately you believe that this token can have millions, or makes you millions of dollars. Okay, it's not impossible, but at least go with the market, not with your emotions. Okay, so make, let's say, difference between obsessions and reality. So guys, if you want to now target another level here, it's okay. We can start buying from this level, but stop loss behind, okay, or below this levels here. Okay, so let's check where the moving average now is pointing. Okay, it's the low. Sorry, let's see the 100. Okay, you can see that there is an approximately the moving average 100. We can set our stops below, and no matter how the market acts, we are protected by two powers, which is the first level here and the second, representing the power of algorithmic levels, and also protected by the moving average. Okay, so let's see if there is any other probabilities in our benefits. Okay, so it's the 0.61. It's a powerful tool, guys. Okay, so if you want to buy, it's okay. You should be careful now dealing with this market. Okay, I mean dealing with these levels. The markets represent the levels. Okay, so this is it for the Euro Finance 2. Let's have some daily basis reading. Okay, let's read the market with the daily charts. You can see, guys, there is some let's say some capitulation over the $4,000, and that's why I told you you should never actually trade against, not against, but at least with the pumps. Each pump you see, and the time you buy with the pumps, the more the pump continues, the less probabilities you have to make money. Okay, so this is it. I'm not against trading the pumps, but I am against people who trade without risk management. So forget about what technical analysis say to you. When the green is green, then it's time to make money. No, and I'm telling you the truth that when the red is red, then it's time to make money. And when the green is green, it's time to run away, escape with your monies. Okay. This is the secret that many exchanges doesn't want you to understand. You remember yesterday we had some, let's say, just some pattern. Okay, simply it is not 100% correct, but it's only a pattern that shows us there is some reversal candle. Okay, we should understand that. So we should make difference between, let's say, the reversal candle as a forms and the reversal and the complete reversal candles. Yesterday we had a form of a reversal candle called hammer, but now where is it? Why? Because simply we should deal with the closers, with the closure. If the candle doesn't close yet, never take a position based at least on what you called hammer or reversal candle. So guys, that's why I told you here. Excuse me a minute. Just listen what I have said. Let me raise the volume for you guys. Our waiting above it. So let's wait what the markets, how the markets will behave at this price here, and we can see later if there is any opportunities to take. Also, I am not trading the Euro Finance 2. I can buy, no problem, but at least I can wait for the candle to close. Okay, so we can be sure that at least we have something to rely. At least we can have something to rely on. So this is the 4,000. This is the $4,000, which is let's say. Okay, now you understand why I told you I'm not buying at till the candle close. So when the candle close with the form, we can see and judge if it's a reversal candle or not. So I hope you understand the message, guys. Please prevent this kind of thoughts and what they share over the internet. That's just okay. When you see a form of a hammer, then go. It's 100% correct. No. You can see now it's Sunday. Yesterday we had big probabilities to close as a hammer candle, but now where is the candle? So deal with the closes, guys. Deal with the closes. Prevent to buy at any, let's say, any level or any when you see any form. No, deal with the clauses. So this is it for the Euro Finance 2. There is Burger against BNB, and we will add a specific video for this coin here. Okay, but now for the moment, we will also only deal with the Euro Finance. So I don't remember when actually we draw these lines here, but it seems correct. Simply like it's a previous, let's say, support here. Now, guys, you can see that the market drops from this level. Okay, but it's very simple. Okay, so it's very simple now. You can see directly, sorry. We can see that the market drops below, not below actually by some cents, okay? But it drops directly when the market hits the 0.61. And we should be careful dealing with the daily close. So if today we close like that, then there is a probability that the market continues to the downside. Okay, because why? Because this is a corrective wave, and this candle here prove it. Is there any other probabilities? Yes, of course there is other probabilities. Simply by canceling this candle here, engulfing it, and then saying, okay, we are now done, and we can have another significant points and positive significance points to buy higher. So deal with the closest now and deal with the breakouts. As long as the market is below the I cannot see that. 34,117. Sorry guys, because the computer screen is really small. I can't really see the exact numbers. So anyways, this is what we need, and this is how we deal. Higher than this level here, okay, 34,000. We can see, or we can say there is a probability to continue. If not, then just wait to target these levels here. Okay, starting from 22,000 to 20,000, maybe more. So we cannot say now anything, just we should wait. Then we see how the market will deal with the space over here. But there is two significant points, the first one and the second one. You can choose and you can try yourself. So guys, I don't want to talk too much about Euro Finance. So this is all. The point of these videos is not to say, okay, buy here and sell here. I want you to learn, okay, and have another ideas of the markets, how it works exactly, especially on the cryptocurrencies, because the people now still, or I think they are still amateur, especially if you don't have the ability to trade, or you had at least some experience to trade or traded the markets like Dow Jones or American stocks, Forex. Okay, so people now still novel, okay, still amateur. They have no idea that there is algorithms and there is some you know, hidden things that happens inside the markets. So that's why we are here, and I hope I can deliver my message. Like I said, sorry if I commit any mistakes in English, but I'm sure that the image is clear. So guys, thank you very much for your support. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also share these videos over the internet, especially on Twitter, with some hashtags, and I will be so thankful. And I promise you there is more coming. Okay, we will try to do everything for free of charge, like I said before. And we create a group. We can even help people to have some signals, but for learning purposes. But I hope only to have the, let's say, the community who understand and support me, and I will be more than happy to do that for free without any doubts and without any, let's say, any benefits. So thank you very much for your support. See you later, guys.